Hi, I'm Cheryl Lightshoe, and I've been a career and leadership development coach for the last 25 years. My career started much as probably many of you. I was faced with a transition. My husband had been relocated to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and I needed to figure out what I was going to do next in my career. There were three questions I was hoping to answer. What do I want? What do I bring? And where to from here? As I looked around at the tools and resources to help me answer those questions, I couldn't find anything. That sent me on the journey of developing and discovering the tools to help me answer those questions and eventually to help others answer those questions. Over the years, I've worked with hundreds of individuals, and I know that if you're ready to clarify your career direction and work with practical results and process that are going to get you those answers, then I'm ready to help. I typically work with a couple of types of individuals. One would be individuals who are just plain unhappy in their career and don't know where to go. That seems obvious. But I also work with individuals who are happy in their career, but maybe looking at wanting to transition to something else. Perhaps their company has changed and their position has changed, and they're not as happy as they used to be in their career. Or perhaps they're just facing their own transition of wanting to look for something else. And again, have no idea how to answer those questions of what do I want, what do I bring, and where to from here. In either case, the process and the tools are the same. If you're watching this video, you're 90% there to creating the career vision and focus for your career. Register now for the Career Vision Focusing the Future Bootcamp, and I will work with you to help you create that career satisfaction and direction. Thank you for listening, and I hope to work with you soon.